All right, this is number 2, 10 acres, right here. And then you have across the road, and then you have this. The road is really passable. Hasn't rained, so it looks like real dry, but it's fine here. There's gravelly, enough room for me to make a path so I can put a house on there. I like this piece a lot. I like the first one he showed me, and this is the second one. I like the 5-acre one, but not as much as this. So it's 600 feet one way and 600 the other way, the box. All right. So how many feet did I just walk? 5 feet?
Yeah, you might have walked 20.
20 feet, okay. So 600 and 600, so it goes down further, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk up that way.
And there's these bigger mosquitoes here. They're on the property too. You know?
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good because I don't want to stay too close to them.
Yeah.
There's a house on that side, and there's a few houses around here. You could see them in the distance, which will work for me. I'll just move the house further out. All right, that's number 2 that I like. And how much was this one?
Let's get the folder back over there.
Okay.
To look at it and see.
All right.